Today, I'm going to show you a recipe for edamame rice using edamame. Edamame is said to have health benefits such as helping with recovery from fatigue, preventing anemia, and promoting beauty. Today, I'll show you how to make edamame rice by cooking rice with boiled edamame and Shio Koji. Since some of you might not have a rice cooker at home, I'll show you how to make it using a pot. You'll need about 100 grams of edamame, 300 grams of Japanese rice, and 2 tablespoons of Shio Koji, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 500 milliliters of water. Please have these ready. First, boil the edamame. For the tasty way to boil edamame, I explained it in a previous video, so if you haven't watched it yet, please check it out. Next, wash the rice. Put the rice in a bowl and add plenty of cold water. Speed is important here. The water will quickly become cloudy as it mixes with the bran and dust from the rice. Quickly pour out this first cloudy water. It's important to make sure the rice doesn't absorb the cloudy water. If you use a bowl and a strainer together, it's convenient because you can drain the water right away. Repeat washing the rice several times, and once the water becomes less cloudy, you're done washing. Next, put the rice into a pot. Add 2 tablespoons of Shio Koji and 1 tablespoon of sake. Then, add 500 milliliters of water. Take all the boiled edamame out of their pods. We'll use the pods later as well, so don't throw them away. Put the edamame beans in and then arrange the pods on top. Cover with a lid and cook over medium heat for 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, reduce to low heat and cook for another 9 minutes. At this point, make sure not to open the lid during cooking. Next, turn off the heat and let it steam for 9 minutes. Open the lid, remove the edamame pods, and it's done. Edamame is a very nutritious food, and by using Shio Koji, it adds even more umami flavor. If you get your hands on some edamame, please give this method a try. It's also really delicious for breakfast. Thank you for watching this video again. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to support the channel.